You know Marshmallow, वो मास्क पहन के प्ले करता है. Actual thing happened is Marshmallow passed away. Some drug
Really?
overdose or something. There was his assistant who replaced him because you do not know who is Marshmallow really.
Wow. But anyways, they don't produce. You need to understand.
And you need to really understand कि कोई कुछ भी बोले तुम उस पर विश्वास नहीं कर लोगे.
हाँ, of course.
तो मैंने जो बोल रहा हूँ बकवास है.
And I just got trapped. Very good. You are going in a concert, you are in the eye of people. There are 10,000 cameras in the concert. Everywhere there are cameras.
Concert में cameras होते हैं
Of
क्या?
course. How they are covering the entire concert then? So you should be aware that if you are holding someone on top of
वो
level
तो
and
VIP space में था.
exact and the camera is fucking coming on you. क्या कैमरा वाला पहली बार लेके रोल कर रहा होगा, घूम ही रहा होगा ना
यार उसकी
इधर-उधर.
तुमने देखा वो एकदम बैठ गया था उसके बाद. तुम्हें पता है उसने एक्चुअली क्या बोला? दीदी डर गई, दीदी डर गई.
Shit.
बहन डर गई.
You recall Neena Gupta? She asked for work on Twitter and someone said, "अरे आप मैम आप खाली बैठे, हमें लगा आप काम कर रहे हैं, आप कमा रहे होंगे." Then someone called her and her life changed. She's now the face of lot of things.
Yeah.
There was a learning for me as well कि यार तुम्हें काम मांगने में शर्म किस बात की है?
Exactly. You should not feel like कि मैं क्यों approach करूँ.
Ladies and gentlemen, आज जो हमारी गेस्ट हैं, her name is खुशी जैन. Her career has been all over internet and she is an Instagram sensation and is playing all over India. खुशी कैंसर सर्वाइवर भी हैं और उन्होंने जिस तरीके से कैंसर को बीट किया, that is commendable. What is the lowest point of your life?
Recently when I have gone through cancer, I had a fibroid. When I got it out of my body, it was cancerous. I was fighting it for a year almost. When I got out of the operation theatre, my doctor saw me and he only asked me one question. How were you carrying this 600 gram of tumor for a year?
You want to cry? You can cry.
No, I don't want to cry.
अरे मेरा TRP बढ़ेगा यार.
Shit. He's thinking about his TRP. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, आज जो हमारी गेस्ट हैं वो एक डीजे हैं और इंडिया में बहुत रेनाउंड है. Her name is खुशी जैन. Her career has been all over internet and she is an Instagram sensation. भोपाल में पैदा हुई, मुंबई मूव की, वहां पर अपना स्पेस बनाया and is playing all over India. खुशी कैंसर सर्वाइवर भी हैं और उन्होंने जिस तरीके से कैंसर को बीट किया, that is commendable. इस पॉडकास्ट के अंदर we gonna touch the thin lines, कैसे डीजे इंडस्ट्री वर्क करती है, what are the dark secrets of डीजे इंडस्ट्री, और कैंसर को बीट करते हुए how did she cope up. और ये जो कन्वर्सेशन है बहुत बहुत ज्यादा कैंडिड है. It's like just talking to a buddy. Let's start the podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a pod with Nick, and I welcome you to the yet another episode. I have a DJ with me. This is the third time I'm having a DJ. I had Oli SA, I had Aryan Gala. Now I have something Indian Sundar Nari. She is actually banging techno. She's actually banging everywhere in Indian scenes. खुशी जैन in the house, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, Nikhil.
हम इससे पहले वाला भी सारा डालेंगे.
Okay. That's okay.
But your vibe is literally पहले मुझे जब when I got you off the taxi, your vibe is very subtle. But right now you are sparking right now.
Yeah, I'm very good with camera. I'm very good on stage.
अच्छा, how are people on stage? And have you कोई ऐसा तुम्हारी लाइफ में है जो you feel like यार on stage this guy is like different, but in real life this is different?
A lot of people.
Same. I think on stage एक ना बहुत बड़ा perception है कि यार वो ना real नहीं है कैमरे के ऊपर. But obviously there are people.
No, not about real. It's about your vibe changes. Like even me. Like when I meet people in person, they say like, oh, she's very, she's very friendly. But when I'm on the console, I have a different, like I have that aura which is like nobody can even come and talk to me. So it's kind of aura you create yourself, the kind of energy you create like on the stage.
आपका जो कल gig था वो who was the sponsor of it?
No, I played in Room EXO, Gurgaon.
What is the name?
Room EXO.
Room EXO.
Yes.
This podcast is not sponsored by Room EXO. ये चाय हमने अपने पैसों की खरीदी है. Have a tea मैं वहीं से पास कर रहा हूँ. Okay, इसको ना बहुत बेसिक से स्टार्ट करते हैं. Define luxury to me. Your luxury. Because for me luxury is different.
Luxury is having nobody question you okay what time you're getting up, having nobody telling you to go to work.
That's lousiness.
For me, that is luxury.
आप
Right
आप
now,
गलत
like
स्पेलिंग पढ़ रहे
since
हो.
the time I have come to Bombay, I have to do everything on my own, from getting up to uh, going to work, to manage the
खुशी भी ना मीम
entire.
बन सकता है एक. तूने देखा कि वो लग्जरी क्या थी उसमें जॉनी लीवर नहीं बता अब भाई का मजा और वो फिर मुंबई चली गई है और खुद काम कर रही है. तो देखा
यार
ना तो मीम समझ
obviously,
गया.
भाई मैं बहुत नाजुक से पली बड़ी लड़की हूँ, ठीक है, और सडनली घर छोड़ देना, लाइक आई
Why
वाज,
did you leave Bhopal? How was it in Bhopal? At what time what age did you leave Bhopal?
I left when I was 18
And why did you leave it?
because I got a job in Etihad.
तुम एयर होस्टेस से पहले?
Yes, that's how I started working.
यार अब तो मुझे
Yeah, I have a very controversial life.
यार एयर होस्टेस होना
I ran away
controversial.
when I was 18 because
Why?
my parents were not agreeing,
Or-
so I had to leave without telling them. I did my Etihad for almost 1 year, and
कैसा है how experience कैसा है एक steward एक एयर होस्टेस की तरह काम करना?
it was good. I love flying. वो तो मेरी तबीयत, like my health condition was bad, that's why I had to quit the job. Otherwise but my sister is also, like, she was also air hostess. She flew for almost 10 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Etihad is a good airlines. वहाँ से लाइफ चेंज हुआ उसके बाद?
लाइफ चेंज हुआ कि my health got worse, you know, when like they say ना कि parents की बात नहीं सुनते हैं तो you get your karma. My health got down, I had to come back. फिर मेरी मॉम ने बोला नहीं अब क्या करना है, मैंने पढ़ाई करूँगी, जॉब चाहते हो. I came to Bombay to study. I did my MBA from Bombay. I started working. I worked with JP Morgan for 2 years. I worked with TCS for 2 years. That's how my journey started. And so TCS में I used to organize events.
नहीं तुमने MBA किस चीज़ में किया था?
HR.
अच्छा you worked at JPMC?
Yes.
As in the HR
Line
department.
HR for Chase department.
Okay. And then in the TCS you were also at the HR part.
Yeah, UK City Cards.
ठीक है.
But line HR, not like a human resource.
I got that.
Yeah. I used to handle the team. Like I used to take care of their doubts and, you know, like problems.
I've been into the corporate sector for the past 15 years.
No.
So मुझे I think I know everything in and out of it. Little bit not of the finance part, but then the TCS thing happened. How did you land up to being a DJ? यार?
I used to organize events because I was very good at it. And while organizing, I realized.
Yeah, I don't think so. You can organize an event.
I can.
यार you can be good at management. You can be good at. But तुम मुझे बोलोगे ना निखिल ये काम करना है जिस तरीके से तुम बात करते हो प्यार से मतलब हाँ पागल है क्या खुशी?
You have no idea about me, Nikhil. Please ask my team how I am.
ठीक है.
When I work, they're on toes.
Okay.
So I used to organize events, and so somebody told me that, you know, you're not made for corporate. You should go in entertainment industry. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. And one day I just quit my job, and I joined NIMS. I did my NIEM, sorry, National Institute of Event Management. I did my event management post-graduation from there. So I'm a double postgraduate. From there, I got placed in one of the very big companies, and I used to organize events over there. But at that time, I used to see DJs performing, and I'm like, dude.
ये कौन से year की बात है?
2015-16.
Okay.
I'm like, I want to do this. And I started learning. That's how it happened. I already had a lot of.
When you say learning, is learning process क्या होता है DJ का?
I hired a resident DJ of a club. Okay, he's my trainer, and I learned from him. I learned at home basically.
अच्छा, like, he actually taught you how things are being done on the console.
Yes.
Okay.
I didn't join any school or anything.
Does it make a difference you join a school or you learn this
You
way?
don't get the proper attention in academies. I believe that. I need
it's
full
like
attention.
a one-on-one session then, right?
I really need one-on-one session for everything. I cannot learn in the group. पता नहीं studies कैसे मैंने पूरी करी इतने group में, but मुझे full attention चाहिए. मतलब if somebody is teaching me anything, that attention has to be on me, no one else.
How is the DJ industry इस time पे इंडिया में?
It's good. It's actually.
तुम्हारे बीच में वो है एक कमरादरे community type.
हाँ.
मतलब do you guys stand for each other?
Yes, definitely.
लेकिन तुमने ऐसा भी कोई लड़ाई हुई नहीं कि तुम stand हो कुछ?
Exactly.
But I'm just asking, like, do you guys, ऐसा होता है ना कि ये लोग senior हैं DJs,
Hmm.
then there is another batch, then there is beginners, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है?
No. Depends.
Okay,
But
tell
of
me
course people.
tell me who is the senior most DJ you feel like in India में, yeah, these are the senior people in DJ.
Akbar Sami, DJ Akhtar, Mafaiza, Suketu is there.
Suketu is
Hanky
pretty
Tricks
famous,
is
yeah.
there.
Suketu is something
Yes.
as a layman I relate
Bullseye
to.
is there. So many.
Okay.
Have deep respect for these kind of, like, because they are working since so many years. They have like the ample of experience they have. We guys cannot even like think about that kind of experience. Well, we gotta take another 10 years to have that kind of experience.
मेरी आपसे पहले पॉडकास्ट में Aryan was a guest. You know Aryan, right?
Yeah.
He told me कि he's kind of off for the people जो ना सिर्फ 30 सेकंड का रील बनाने के चक्कर में they play something. और आजकल ट्रेंडिंग क्या हो रहा है, there's newbies coming up and they take the space because उनका रील पे या फिर सोशल मीडिया पे काउंट बहुत अच्छा है and they, और मुझे वहाँ से एक वायर कनेक्ट हुई फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि अगर तुम्हें कोई बुक किया है तुम्हें किसी ने, इज इट अ राइट वर्ड?
Yeah.
ठीक है, दे हैव बुक्ड योर स्लॉट कि तुम रात को जैसे रूम एक्सो में आपने प्ले किया, देन यू पुट दैट ऑन योर स्टोरी. इज इट मैंडेड टू पुट दैट ऑन योर स्टोरी?
No.
अच्छा.
I want to put it on my story.
No, but this is like how, okay, this is like how many tickets are you selling with your name? It's like that.
But if you are a good DJ, you're anyway selling without posting also. Like I know DJs who will not even post, and if the club will post, the
Yeah,
tickets will sell.
अच्छा ठीक है, then I think I maybe because Aryan was saying कि वो the scene is कि इस टाइम पे मैं 30 सेकंड का बहुत अच्छा रील बना देता हूँ, अट्रैक्शन है, मैंने सारा एल्गो को ब्रेक मारा है, मेरा शेयर हो रहा है, मैंने अच्छा म्यूजिक कुछ ऐसा प्ले कर दिया जैसे बॉयलर रूम चल रहे हैं ना आजकल. आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट बॉयलर रूम्स एज वेल, ठीक है. और उसके बाद उनका नंबर बढ़ा हुआ है, दे हैव लाइक से 500 के, हाफ अ मिलियन इज लाइक ऑर्गेनिकली अगर किसका हाफ अ मिलियन है भाई वो बहुत देवता है आदमी, ठीक है, इन द इंस्टाग्राम इंडस्ट्री. सो देन इन द डीजे वर्ल्ड, बिकॉज ही विल शेयर, देयर वुड बी मोर पीपल इन द लोकली, से दिल्ली में प्ले कर रहा हूँ तो इसलिए लोग उसको ऐसे लोगों को ज्यादा हायर करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट I got the conclusion out of the conversation.
So you mean to say people are hiring because of Instagram?
Exactly.
I
and then he said that कि क्योंकि तुम वो लोग हायर कर रहे हैं, इसको ना थोड़ा स्क्रैप करके मैं क्लीन बात करता हूँ कि इंस्टाग्राम की वजह से दे गेट मोर व्यूज एंड विद दैट दे गेट मोर अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्ले, बट दे डू नॉट हैव सब्सटेंस. वो सिर्फ अभी ऐसे ही प्ले कर रहे हैं, दे डू नॉट नो हाउ टू प्ले. What do you have to say about that?
I don't want to judge anyone because at least that is working for them, no? Whatever is working for anybody. See, I'll tell you what, the kind of time we are living in, किसी के लिए कुछ भी काम कर रहा है ना, it's working.
करते रहो.
According to me. I don't believe in that. I don't do such kind of things on my Instagram because
you have very good following on Instagram.
Yes, but I don't. That's organic following, and that has come through because of 8 years of journey. And I just don't do DJing. I do other stuff.
Can I confess something?
Yeah.
There have been apologies to the DJs. There have been like 5-6 DJs approached me for a podcast. मैं सबको देख रहा था. Then someone said, "यार, this Khushi is there. You liked our post, I guess, something like this." Then we reached you. So I said, "यार, she has like more following than us." और यार मैं भी गंदा हो गया वहाँ पे.
But it's okay. It's not. You're not. No, I don't think.
हम गंदे हैं ना यार. और हम यहाँ बैठ के उस दिन this is hypocrisy in me.
No, it's not.
Because I was talking to you before this कि उन लोगों के नंबर अच्छे हैं वो podcast.
Tell me one thing. Why are you doing the podcast?
I love it.
You love it, right? But you have to reach somewhere, right? You're gonna reach through numbers, right? Then you're thinking about yourself.
By 26 and I think I'll be touching around 700k.
Yeah, so you're gonna think about yourself only, then only you'll reach, no? So I'm nobody to judge those people if they're making reel, if it is going viral. It's not their mistake. They're doing it what they want to do it and how they want to reach. So nobody should judge anybody. I'm not getting angry because I see a lot of people talking about प्रोड्यूस करना नहीं आता, लो की मैशअप है. यार कितने प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं जो एक्चुअल में प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? इफ द पीपल आर डूइंग 20 shows a month, you think they have time to produce? और सबसे बड़ी बात, अगर घोस्ट प्रोडक्शन का इतना इशू लोगों को आता है तो भाई आप गाने बेचते क्यों? मत बेचो ना। अगर आप इतने, ऑल द घोस्ट प्रोड्यूसर्स ओनली टॉक अबाउट दोज डीजेस जिनको वो गाने बेच रहे होते हैं, तो क्यों बेच रहे हो? या तो पैसा कमा लो या फिर फेम कमा लो, सिंपल सी बात है।
For you, what is more important? पैसा या fame?
फेम, आई हैव इनफ मनी,
How much money do you have?
लॉट,
Define lot
आई
for
एम अ
me.
रिच गर्ल,
यार एक तो होता है मैं, यार मैं तो मैं भी बोल दूँ I'm a rich boy.
I have 2-3 houses. I have like a big bungalow in Bhopal. I come from a very well off family. I don't want to twit. Please cut this. Cut this,
मैंने तेरे को
please.
कहा था ना कि जैसे ही खुशी आई ना, मैंने कहा यार आई रे खुशी डडन डडन डडन, मैंने कहा यार भाई इसको मैं अपना दोस्त बनाऊंगा। यार ये मजाक ले रही है खुशी ना, भी सीरियस नहीं है इस चीज को
Concerts
लेके।
are free for you in Delhi. Club shows are also free if you're coming for techno.
You know marshmallow?
Yes. Hot chocolate में डालने वाला marshmallow
ना
या
ना ना,
DJ
DJ
marshmallow?
marshmallow.
Yeah.
Why there is a controversy on him, you know that?
No, what happened?
You didn't watch our podcast last वाला ना? अगर तुमने देखा तो मैंने उसमें बात की थी मार्शमेलो की कंट्रोवर्सी के ऊपर। वो मास्क पहन के प्ले करता है। Actual thing happened is Marshmello passed away, the real Marshmello.
Oh,
Some drug
really?
overdose or something. And there was his assistant who replaced him, because you do not know who is Marshmello really.
Wow.
You see that? Now this legacy gonna go on. That was the reason, because he was not able to cope up to that level of music production. तो उसके numbers down आ गए. You seen that?
Yeah. But anyways, they don't produce. You need to understand.
And you need to really understand कि कोई कुछ भी बोले तुम उस पर विश्वास नहीं कर लोगे।
हाँ, of course.
तो मैंने जो बोल रहा हूँ बकवास है।
You're making a fool out of me.
I'm not making. I'm just saying.
And I just got trapped. Very good. Good, Nick. ऐसे बातों में मुझे कोई ट्रैप कर नहीं पाया आज तक। Good.
अरे नहीं नहीं, तुम अभी फर्स्ट टाइम पॉडकास्ट पे आए हो ना, तो तुम थोड़ा कैमरा कॉन्शियस हो रहे हो, दैट इज इट। बट यू आर वेरी स्मार्ट यार।
कैमरा कॉन्शियस तो बिल्कुल नहीं।
नहीं कैमरा कॉन्शियस नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगा तुम कैमरा कॉन्शियस हो।
You just said that.
I was just trying to cover you up.
You don't need to cover me up.
ठीक है, let's start.
Okay.
अब पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं।
अच्छा अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे
हम
थे?
कंफर्टेबल हो रहे थे। But there would be some snippets that we'll keep out of it जो हमारे अच्छी लग रही हैं। Like I would love to keep the journey part of yours from Bhopal to there. And then you went into DJ part.
Yeah.
How did you make space in the DJ world?
That took a time because
कितने साल हो गए? 8 साल हो गए ना आपको DJ play करते हुए?
8 years.
तो how did it happen? How did it happen? मतलब आपको DJ कैसे बने आप?
Few friends supported.
Till here, the place you are, और जो तुमने start किया था, what is the difference अभी? Is it money making difference?
Money wise also, and people are taking me seriously now. Initially they were not. A lot of people thought कि अरे, because I was a party girl, I used to party a lot. So I had a lot of contacts, club owners know me, a lot of promoters know me. So that's how it was easy in the start, because उन लोगों के लिए मतलब एक अच्छी सुंदर लड़की आई है, सीख के आई है, and you know क्राउड है, उसके इतने फ्रेंड्स हैं, आ जा रहे हैं क्लब में, तो इट वाज वेरी इजी फॉर मी टू क्रैक गिग्स।
ओके।
या मतलब मैंने 4-5 दिन क्लास करी थी और मैंने 8वें दिन शो परफॉर्म किया था।
हाउ वाज इट? पहला कैसा था?
बकवास। अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, अकॉर्डिंग टू पीपल इट वाज गुड, बट मुझे पता ना मैंने कितनी गलतियां करी।
Do you guys really play it or is it just a pen drive?
No, I played. But I played on sync. So my first gig, but I did not play like good slot. I was playing like first slot or second slot.
जब लोग आ रहे होते हैं. हाँ. This is how you open up.
Yes. हाँ. So it was good. It was fun. But धीरे I started getting more gigs. And then पहले Bombay हुआ, फिर धीरे I started going to 2-tier cities, 3-tier cities. Word of mouth, social media, managers, started getting gigs. It was fine. But yeah, I will not say that I have any godfather or anybody who supported me, because whatever I have made, I've made it on my own. I don't want to give credit to anybody, because it is.
Yeah, किसी ने तो help किया होगा.
No, people just say.
The trainer.
trainer, of course, because
No, did he get you somewhere?
no. How can you expect your trainer to get you gigs? वो सिखा रहा है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. अच्छे से सिखा रहा है, वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. आजकल कोई ढंग से सिखाता भी नहीं.
केमी, तुम जो बोल रहे हो कि हम मेरा कोई गॉडफादर नहीं था या किसी ने पिक नहीं किया, ऐसा किसके साथ हुआ है जिसके गॉडफादर हो?
Lot of people. I don't want to
Tell
name.
me.
I don't want to name.
मैं तो शायद जानता भी नहीं. You can take.
No, I don't want to name. मेरे को इंडस्ट्री में रहने दो ना प्लीज. Names नहीं लेना है.
But still, I mean, they'll get to know.
हाँ, of course they get to know.
But this is fine ना. गॉडफादर होना भी
It's
fine है.
fine. Everything is fine according to me. किसी के लिए सर्जरीज काम कर रही हैं, किसी के लिए रील्स काम कर रही हैं, किसी के लिए
एक सेकंड किसी वो was that
किसी के लिए सर्जरीज काम कर रही हैं, किसी के लिए रील्स काम कर रही हैं, किसी के लिए आधे कपड़े पहनना काम कर रहा है. सो व्हाटएवर इज वर्किंग फॉर
अच्छा.
whoever, आई रियली हैव नो प्रॉब्लम एंड आई हैव नोबडी टू जज. ठीक है यार, जिसको जो वर्कआउट हो रहा है कर, पैसे आ
सब
रहे
लोग
हैं.
कुछ ना कुछ ट्राई कर रहे हैं,
Yes.
पिवट कर ही जा रहे हैं कि ये
Yeah,
चल जाए, ये चल
why
जाए.
do you want to judge anybody? और तुम
यार,
भी कर लो, तुम्हें थोड़ा ना रोका है.
नहीं बट यार समाज का रोल तो होता है ना कुछ करना.
अरे but if nobody is stopping anybody, okay? Do whatever is
No one
working.
can stop
Yeah,
anybody.
so do whatever is working instead of talking. You know, I think people should talk less and do more.
यार
तब
भाई
जाके
ना
उनके
ना
लिए भी
ना
कुछ होगा. And I'll tell you what, all the ज्ञान comes from unsuccessful people. Trust me.
Then all the podcasts जो टॉक शो चल रहे हैं.
I'm
Those are
not
like-
talking about podcast. I'm talking about ये जो लोग बोलते हैं ना, वो 2 सेकंड का रील बना के ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. I'm sorry, but who are you to judge? तुम भी कर लो ना, और तुम भी वही कर रहे हो. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम नहीं कर रहे हो. तुम्हारी भी अगर एक रील वायरल जाएगी तो तुम्हें खुशी हो रही है ना.
Yes.
तो फिर then why you are judging other person? अगर उसकी 10 रील वायरल जा रही है, वो is making that kind of stuff कि जो 10 बार वायरल जा रहा है, तुम्हारा एक ही वायरल जा रहा है, तो तुम्हारी गलती है ना. और मेहनत करो. सिंपल सी बात है.
ठीक है.
I don't understand why people are after each other. Support यार, जिसको जो करना है करने दो. बेचारे कमा रहे हैं ना, पैसा कमा रहे हैं ना, बिजी है ना. तुम्हारी लाइफ में इंटरफेयर तो नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, बैठ के इंस्टाग्राम पे बकचोदियां तो नहीं कर रहे हैं ना.
खुशी यार, एक जो तुमने गॉडफादर वाली बात बोली ना, I'll look forward to you as that कि यार if for example I know someone, ठीक है, and we be friends. हम imagine हम 4 साल से बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. दोस्त इन द सेंस मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ डीजे की तरफ से नहीं जानता, मैं खुशी को जानता हूँ. और खुशी डीजे है, वो सेकेंडरी बात है. और मेरा दोस्त ने क्लब खोला है यार, ठीक है. तो मैंने कहा यार खुशी प्ले करेगी वहाँ पे. बेस्ट स्लॉट क्या है? फ्राइडे ईव बेस्ट स्लॉट है, सैटरडे ईव बेस्ट स्लॉट है, मैक्सिमम क्राउड होता है, खुशी प्ले करेगी उस टाइम. तो दिस इज नेपोटिज्म कह लो, बट दिस इज हाउ रिलेशनशिप शुड बी. नेटवर्किंग है वो तो प्रॉपर.
बट वो बाद में होता है जब आप प्रूव कर चुके होते हो. स्टार्ट में किसी ने नहीं बोला खुशी प्ले करेगी. अब बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि खुशी प्ले करेगी.
यार दैट इज समथिंग यू हैव अर्नड ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
हाँ, तो वो स्टार्ट में नहीं, बिकॉज आई हैव कम फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड जहाँ पे म्यूजिक का एम भी नहीं पता था किसी को. किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था. मैंने 1 साल तक अपनी मम्मी को ये नहीं बताया था कि मैंने जॉब छोड़ दिया और डीजेइंग स्टार्ट कर दी है. She didn't even know. It took almost 2 years for her to understand what I am doing, because the kind of city I've come from, अब तो फिर भी कल्चर बहुत हो गया है. I'm talking about 8 years back. मतलब क्लब्स होते थे, बट लोगों को ऐसा लगता था वहाँ पे अल्कोहल बिक रहा है तो it's not a good place, and you know girls are going there so it's not a good place. People are drinking, dancing, so it's not a good place. But right now mentality has changed. People have changed. तो अब जाके you know my mom has accepted. मतलब अब नहीं, मतलब उनको तो काफ़ी टाइम हो गया. नाउ शी इज़ बीन वेरी सपोर्टिव नाउ, बट उनको भी 2 साल लगे हैं टू एक्सेप्ट कि मतलब व्हाट एम आई डूइंग. तो it's not that easy, you know, from a small town girl who doesn't have a background of music industry and coming suddenly leaving like the settled job where I used to earn more and suddenly getting into music.
Why did you do it यार? तुम अच्छा कमा रहे थे यार, चिल करते रहते अपनी जिंदगी में.
I was bored. I get bored very easily. In DJing also I get bored with a lot of things, so I change the genres and all.
Okay.
Yeah, I did Bollywood for a year, so many years, and I'm earning more in Bollywood, but I suddenly wanted to do techno. From last 2 years I'm doing techno, and I'm earning, like, I'm doing good, but not earning that much which I used to earn in Bollywood.
But I don't want to know your figures कि तुम कितना कमाते हो. That will be like, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है पूछते हुए. But just out of curiosity, if someone is watching this and they might be on the first year of their DJing or maybe training part,
Hmm.
how if they continue to prosper कि वो try करते रहते हैं, how do you try मेलिंग लोगों को? पर मुझे पहले ये समझाओ, how does your industry work? किसी को reach करना है कि मुझे यहाँ पे play करने दो, how do you guys reach जिसका
Message
कोई
on
नाम ही नहीं है?
Instagram, or message on Instagram, mail, ask for the number, contact, and it's
You
not.
it's other way around ना, पहले तो कि तुम पूछते हो मुझे slot दे दो please play करने के लिए,
Huh, but
for which you do not
nay,
get
today
paid.
also you can do it. I have done it a lot of times. I have contacted a lot of people, and I don't feel any shame, because I changed the genre. Okay, suddenly from Bollywood to techno. So for me, it was like I wanted to be seen, and so I wanted to like I have contacted a lot of people जिनको मैं जानती थी पहले से कि I want to
Hmm.
come and play. So it's not a like bad thing to ask for a gig. It's never a bad thing to ask
नहीं, it's never a
for
bad.
work. If you think you are capable, you can ask for it. होगा होगा नहीं होगा नहीं होगा. Doesn't matter.
You recall Neena Gupta?
Yeah.
She asked for work on Twitter. कह रही हम बहुत टाइम से मैं खाली बैठी हूँ, मुझे प्लीज काम दे दीजिए.
I heard
And
that.
someone said, अरे आप मैम आप खाली बैठे हैं, हमें लगा आप काम कर रहे हो, आप कमा रहे होंगे. Then someone called her and her life changed. Now she's now the face of lot of things. Then there was a learning for me as well कि यार तुम्हें काम मांगने में कोई शर्म किस बात की है?
Exactly. You should not feel like कि मैं क्यों approach करूँ and all that. I तो
Ego.
approach.
या शर्म कह लो, कुछ भी कह लो.
ईगो के साथ इंडस्ट्री में काम नहीं कर सकते आप.
ईगो के साथ तुम रिलेशनशिप में सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते.
वो
इंडस्ट्री
तो
तो बात की बात
डेफिनेटली
है.
रिलेशनशिप तो एनीवेज यू कांट सर्वाइव, पर इंडस्ट्री में भी काम नहीं कर सकते अगर आप ईगो लेके बैठे हो तो.
You have ego?
No. My ego never come between my work. I have self-respect. I have a lot of self-respect, but not ego.
Why did you say yes to our podcast?
Because I really like your content. I told you, like, good content. I watch a lot of podcasts, that's why.
Who is your favorite podcaster?
I don't have you, Nikhil. Just because you're saying that.
Seriously.
Not like, I don't have any particular, but I watch Raj Shamani a lot. Ranveer also, but Raj I watch more. His podcasts are good.
His हाँ, राज के क्वेश्चन, जो राज की रिसर्च है ना,
हाँ,
वो काफी अच्छी है.
yes.
But Raj can improve a lot of things.
Improvement तो सबके अंदर, like everybody can improve.
The first thing he can do is he can come on my show, then I can give him a direct feedback. मैं उससे उम्र में बड़ा हूँ,
Yes.
तो इतना तो वो कर सकता है. I can pay for your tickets brother. उससे ज़्यादा afford नहीं कर सकता मैं. What is IP?
IP is your particular USP, like your thing which you started to give the experience, like how Anaima give his visual IP. तो वो उसका USP है कि Anaima will come with this kind of visuals. That is called IP. Like anything which you start.
What is your IP?
I'm also coming up with visual IP for my techno this thing.
And how much difference, or what is exactly the difference in experiencing it right now? मैं अगर तुम्हें अभी सुन रहा हूँ और visual IP के साथ सुन रहा हूँ, it's gonna be just
No,
animation.
so that tracks which will come, according to those tracks, the visuals will come.
It's like kind of B-rolls or thing.
You have not seen that Sphere videos? I'll show you after the podcast. I'll show you my visuals.
ठीक है. Okay, this is something new to learn यार. But overall as a DJ का जो proper एक career देखते हैं, जैसे मैं for example podcasting का career देखता हूँ, ठीक है? It's just not about guest. It's just about learning. बहुत चीज़ें learn होती हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है? यहाँ पे क्योंकि 2-way interaction है, 3-way interaction है, guest बढ़ते सकते हैं. Then there is another pivot you can take after a podcast, maybe on the part of delivering something or entrepreneurship, because यहाँ से बहुत सारी आगे राहें निकलती हैं.
Yes.
तो तुम podcast को as a starting segment और एक maturity level पे देख सकते हो जहाँ तक हमने अभी तक देखा है, क्योंकि उधर तक लोगों ने when we look at senior podcasters जो जहाँ से start हुआ है इंडस्ट्री, तो वहाँ पे अभी तक हमसे पॉडकास्ट देख रहे हैं, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं देख रहे, और बाकी लोगों ने पैरेलली कुछ नया चीज़ शुरू कर दी है. बट और इंडिया में उस चीज़ को इट्स लेट मी टेल यू, डू यू नो हाउ पॉडकास्ट स्टार्टेड?
No.
अच्छा, पॉडकास्ट द वर्ड इटसेल्फ डज नॉट मीन एनीथिंग. पॉडकास्ट वाज लाइक you put your phone something and you're casting it out like an audio. Actually these were supposed to be audiobooks, and I made first audiobook in 2017 before the
Okay.
podcast even came out.
Okay.
So I still have it on YouTube with a
Hmm.
name called How to Live Sorted.
Hmm.
मैं जोश में I read this Osho book and I
Hmm.
thought like I completed a book in like 3-4 days
Okay.
and I thought hey, I'm wiser now. I can give
But then you started podcast late. You should have started at that time
no,
only.
I called it audiobook and I
Okay.
started the in 2017.
Huh.
I posted a video calling it out. Do not look at me, guys. Just hear me out while you are stuck in the traffic.
Huh.
ठीक है? And
Like on how radio works.
yes,
Yes.
just hear me out and it'll change your difference. I spoke about the meaning of namaskaram. I spoke about meaning of namaskar.
Hmm.
कि तुम actually नमस्कार करो. Good morning it does not mean anything. वो तुम्हारे अंदर भाव नहीं ला रहा है. This is something I made, but I mean there were a lot of things that didn't work out. But on coming back to your question, कि DJ का जो proper segment है, ये कहाँ कहाँ लेके जा सकता है? अगर if someone is मैं बिल्कुल अनजान बंदा हूँ, what exactly a DJ career look like to you apart from just being on console and playing music?
You can produce, then you can open your academy, which I have plans of. Like after, and then you can open your artist management company. You can even open your own event company while having that kind of experience. So
Okay.
it depends what you actually want to do. Like I have already opened my company. We do artist management and a lot of other things which is related to events. Plus I work with my fiance's company also. Like I'm a part of that company also, where I program, I handle the club department, I handle a lot of tours and all. And this is how you can progress. You can become an artist manager, tour manager, and best is you open an academy because you already are coming up with the experience. So your experience, with your experience you can make more like more DJs, and you can earn money out of, because कभी ना कभी तो आपका career बंद होगा ना.
What is your when do you feel like कि तुम्हारा is this your best time right now or you still have कि मेरा best time ये चीज़ होगी?
2 years more.
ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हो?
2 years में I'll
Reach your
I'm already very content, but I give myself 2 years, and after that I'll completely shut down. I'll do like once in a month, one show, big show, and then I'll focus on my business. Like I'll open an academy and I'll do that.
कि इंडिया में किसी और पुराने डीजेस ने ऐसा कुछ सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं किया जो इंडस्ट्री के जैसे अवीची हो गया यार. It's a big name, right?
But because their genre is like that, no? They're playing Bollywood, and come on, you're talking about like skill, like what was the thing that he said
अच्छा
that
एक स्किल लेवल पे देखते हैं. Does Indian DJs have that skill as compared to जो बाहर के DJs हैं?
of course we have. The only thing is we don't have that kind of exposure which they get. बाहर के डीजेस को बड़ा कौन कर रहा है? हम ही लोग तो कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे आके उनको सर पे हम लोग ही तो बिठा रहे हैं ना.
यार
You have no idea how much work we give to international DJs, trust me. And how much money they're charging us. It's like huge. It's in crores. Trust me. Boris Barecha charges a crore for one show. And we Indians pay also. हमारे इंडिया से कोई जाएगा बट उसको देंगे क्या 1 करोड़? I think Chetas is the only one who get like 30-40 lakh or nuclear, not no one else.
But what is it about कि हमें ऐसा क्यों हमारे साथ क्यों ऐसा क्यों है?
It's genre wise because we have that like we are known for Bollywood only. Like हमारे यहाँ
तो
के
हमारी ऑडियंस कम है.
हाँ, there are very few DJs who make it to international market. I'm talking about techno industry. Very few DJs who can make it to international market. And but international market के सारे DJs यहाँ आके perform कर रहे हैं. So it is us like who have made this kind of, you know, like we have made
तो हम अपने होम ग्रोन चीज को ज्यादा अहमियत नहीं दे रहे एज कंपेयर टू द वेस्टर्न.
एग्जैक्टली. आप बाहर के गोरे को बुलाकर यहाँ पे बजवा रहे हो, ठीक है, पर आप यहाँ के एक अच्छे डीजे को क्या बोलते 50,000 देने पे भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है. उसको आप 2.5-3 लाख रुपए दे के आ रहे हो और वो गंदा सा म्यूजिक बजा के जा रहे हो और आप उसमें खुश हो रहे हो.
क्या वो सिंग पे बजा रहा है?
मोस्ट ऑफ द डीजेस प्ले ऑन सिंग.
अच्छा, व्हाट इज दिस चीट? व्हाट इज द मोस्ट cheat that DJ does?
Sync, cut paste, but cut paste समझ में आ जाता है.
Can you hear it out?
DJs can make it easily. आजकल तो पब्लिक को भी समझ में आने लगा है, पर ड्रंक पब्लिक को नहीं समझता।
और सारे वहाँ पे बट यार व्हाट इज द सीन यार आई जस्ट टॉक्ड मतलब मेरे को बहुत अमेज हुआ मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ मुझे खुद नहीं पता ये बात कि
हम्म
सुबह 6 बजे तक यू प्लेड और सुबह 6 बजे तक नाच कौन रहा था वहाँ पे
बहुत लोग भरा था क्लब। देखो, अगर ये चीज़ मैं बोलूँगी ना, ये कंट्रोवर्सी हो जाएगी, और ये पुलिस तक अगर पहुँच गया तो
नहीं
तुम्हारा
यार
दिल्ली बंद होने लगेगा।
नहीं दिल्ली का सीन मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा क्या चीज़ है कि आई एम नॉट
दिल्ली
सेइंग
बर्लिन बन चुका है।
कि तुम सुबह तक प्ले कर रहे हो 6 बजे तक और लोग
हाँ,
हैं उस टाइम तक
6 बजे तक, उसके बाद भी क्लब्स खुलते हैं। 6 बजे के बाद भी देयर आर क्लब्स विच आर ओपनिंग एट 6:30 which is going on till 12 o'clock.
स्ट्रेंज यार
Yeah.
ये सोते कब है फिर
2-3 दिन पार्टी करने के बाद।
अच्छा this is something I want your view
हम्म
as a DJ you want to put it out or maybe you want to put it out कि as an individual
हम्म
Honey Singh as a DJ
हम्म
what is your view on this
he's gonna charge a lot.
अरे तुम इवेंट मैनेजमेंट के हिसाब से देख रहे हो यार तुम what is your view how what do you look at when I say the name Honey Singh what thought comes to your mind
Rapper, singer.
बस
That's yeah.
you are you a fan of Honey Singh
Not really. But हनी सिंह को बजाना आता है, पता है?
obviously
हाँ.
उसने कितनों
Yeah,
की
yeah.
करियर बजाए हैं
No, no. He knows how to play. उसका खुद का भी बच गया यार बेचारे का।
हनी सिंह का करियर
बजा था ना बीच में, फिर ठीक अभी ना हो।
भाई देखो यार मैं तुम्हें रियलिटी बताता
सब
हूँ
काट देना।
नहीं नहीं मैं तो ये तो डालूंगा हनी सिंह का आई हैव लॉट ऑफ गुड ऑडियंस फॉर हनी सिंह यार हनी
हाँ
सिंह फॉलोज मी ऑन
हाँ,
इंस्टाग्राम
बट आई डोंट फॉलो ना, मतलब आई
but the
एम
thing is
नॉट अ
I want
फैन ना।
Honey Singh follows me on Instagram so I want him to know that he promised me in August कि वो मेरे साथ पॉडकास्ट कर रहा है तो
Okay.
वो हो जाए भाई
Then your
प्लीज
number's gonna go up.
really I wish
No, definitely.
जय माता दी
He has a very good following.
he has a cult of it and I literally look at कि यार एक इंसान ऐसा कल्ट बना सकता है
Yes, but because वो वहाँ उस टाइम पे था ना जब ये सब wannabe लोग नहीं थे। अभी कितने wannabe, हर कोई तो रैपर बन रहा है, हर कोई डीजे बन रहा है, हर कोई सिंगर बन जा रहा है। ऑटो ट्यून पे इट्स वेरी इजी टू बिकम सिंगर। ठीक है, किसी से कुछ लिखवा के आ जाओ, रैपर बन जाओ। ठीक है, डीजे बन जाओ, सिंग पे बजा लो, बस इंस्टाग्राम की रील डाल दो, वही। लाइक इट्स वेरी थिंग, इट्स बिकम वेरी इजी टू डू एनीथिंग। सोशल मीडिया, डिजिटल मीडिया
तुम
हैज
पता इसका
मेड
एक और कॉन भी है कि इट्स नॉट बिकम एट इजी बट इसमें ये भी हो गया है कि कंपटीशन बढ़ गया है
कंपटीशन बढ़ गया है, एंड
तुम्हें
लोगों
साथ
को
में कुछ और भी देना पड़ता है
लोगों को पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है अब। लोगों को बस बस वो ग्लैम दिख रहा है, एंड दे आर नॉट एक्चुअली लुकिंग आउट द डिसएडवांटेजेस। दे आर जस्ट लुकिंग आउट कि हाँ पार्टी करने को मिल रहा है, लड़कियां आसपास घूम रही हैं, लाइक यू नो that they're only seeing the glam part, and that's what they are doing. They're just running behind that glamorous thing. They are not working hard towards it. मतलब जो 5 साल पहले लोग हार्ड वर्क करते थे, मेहनत करते थे, लाइक मैं 5-5 घंटे प्रैक्टिस करती थी एक टाइम पे। आज भी मेरा शो होता है, मैं उसके एक दिन पहले प्रैक्टिस करके जाती हूँ। मेरे पास कंसोल है, आई प्रैक्टिस कि मतलब आई चेक माई म्यूजिक। अभी तो उन लोगों को फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता। दे मतलब 20-25 शो कैसे कर रहे, मतलब हाउ यू आर डूइंग, व्हेन आर यू वर्किंग ऑन योर म्यूजिक इफ़ यू आर डूइंग 20-25 शोज। तो ऑब्वियसली बात है वो, बट चल रहा है, उनके लिए काम कर रहा है।
हाँ जब तक चल रहा है बट ना मैं इस पे
बट ये फेड हो जाएगा, मार्केट क्रैश होने वाला है।
एग्जैक्टली अच्छा मुझे एक चीज़ बताओ दिस इज गोना बी more like an advice to the people who are in the age of maybe in the teenage and they are thinking of building or choosing their career ठीक है might come out to be an advice to that people would you choose a career जहाँ पर तुम्हें ना धीरे धीरे सैलरी मिल रहा है बट स्टेबिलिटी है and it the career last say 40 years or you get enough money and your career lasts 3-5 years and the hustle is more a little stress is more आप क्या choose करोगे
One second, can you repeat?
Option 1
हाँ.
where your career span is almost 30 to 40 years 35 to 40 years and you get a good amount of money as per comparison जो market value चल रहा है parallelly तुम एक वैसा करियर चूज करोगे जो 5 साल के लिए बट बीच में तुम्हें काफी फेम और पैसा देके जाता है then it drops down and it comes with a lot of cons as well as pros as well, but
Hmm.
cons as well. So
Hmm.
what would you choose?
I would choose 30 to 35, 40 wala career, but then I have chose or like the kind of career I have chose, it's like the second option you were talking
Hmm.
about. But I never thought that
No,
no.
a DJ career can go for 35, 40 years.
Depends. When are you starting? If you're starting early, it's good. Okay. But if you're starting like late, then like I know a lot of people who have started at 35. So फिर हाँ like 4 years, 5 years you have.
तो नहीं, there are DJs who are like क्या 50 साल का बंदा DJ अच्छा नहीं प्ले करेगा?
नहीं play अच्छा करेगा. I'm not talking about the skill wise. I'm talking about like जो टाइम आपको स्ट्रगल और वो सब करने के लिए जो मिलेगा when you are young,
हम्म.
वो अगर आप 35 पे स्टार्ट करोगे तो आप कब पहुंचोगे और फिर कब करोगे, कब फिर शाइन करोगे, मतलब कब आपका फिर टाइम आएगा. बिकॉज इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. इट्स नॉट दैट आपने आज स्टार्ट किया और कल आपको एकदम फेम मिल गया और पैसा मिलना शुरू हो गया. इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. इट्स अ जर्नी यू हैव टू गो थ्रू. सो दैट जर्नी इट्स बेटर इफ यू स्टार्ट अर्ली.
Agreed.
या
But you know why I brought this up is कि I want people to study for a reason.
एग्जैक्टली.
I want
तो
people to study for a reason कि तुम 3 4 साल 5 साल लग के पढ़ाई करो, कि तुम्हें लगेगा क्या बकवास बात है. बट द रियलिटी इज अगर तुम स्टार्टिंग से कंटेंट मेकिंग मनी मेकिंग की तरफ जाओगे ना, इट विल गिव यू मनी, नो डाउट, एंड यू विल लर्न स्किल्स ऑफ मेकिंग मनी, ठीक है, बट इवेंचुअली इट विल फेड अवे.
यस.
And trust me, you can numbers never lie. You pick people up who have been dominant in the creative industry, say vlogs कर रहे थे या फिर YouTube के बादशाह थे, कुछ भी कर रहे थे, they have faded away and they have started some pivot, लेकिन उन्होंने कुछ और start किया है. Now they might be struggling or they might be doing good, secondary. But if you want stability in your life, जहाँ पे तुम एक अच्छी जिंदगी जी सको, stable जिंदगी जी सको, जो तुम्हें बाद में गोलियों की जरूरत ना पड़े, एंटी डिप्रेसेंट और एंटी एंजाइटी पिल्स के लिए, यू नीड टू स्टडी एंड चैनलाइज योर करियर कि तुम्हारी स्लो ग्रोथ हो, ताकि तुम्हारी फाउंडेशन बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो.
ट्रू. आई एग्री.
तुम्हें इस पे एग्री नहीं करना था, फिर हमारी लड़ाई कैसे होगी?
No, but I agree. I
I'm
really
just kidding
agree
यार, मैं
on
वैसे ही
what
बोल
you
रहा
are saying. Because see, qualification is very important. Education is important. लोगों को आजकल नहीं, उनको पढ़ना नहीं है. Like I've meeting so many Gen Zs. They want to become dancers, become actors, become content, and 90% of them want to become content creator. कुछ भी
था.
उठा के कंटेंट बनाना शुरू कर देंगे एंड उनकी फॉलोइंग बढ़ जाएगी, एक रील वायरल हो जाएगी, फॉलोअर्स बढ़ जाएंगे, पैसे आना शुरू हो जाएंगे एंड स्टडीज जाने दो. पैसा आ रहा है ना.
लेकिन कब तक आ रहा है यार?
पीपल आर रियली रनिंग बिहाइंड मनी. दे आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. दे आर लीविंग देयर ग्राउंड्स. दे जस्ट रनिंग बिहाइंड मनी, स्पेशली जेंजीज. द जनरेशन इज fucked up.
It was tough for you to make space in the DJ industry, but you're a girl and girls get an edge. I'm sorry I'm saying this, but this is the harsh truth.
You know what?
I think this
This is the biggest misconception that people have कि लड़की है तो gigs मिल रहे हैं. Without skill किसी को
नहीं,
gigs
मैं
ज़्यादा दिन
I
तक नहीं
100%
मिलते.
agree.
Hmm.
I 100% agree. तुम्हें if you get the so let me put this. I asked this question to Ollie Esse. She was here with me in the podcast. I literally asked her that you got a good body, you got good tattoos, and you show your skin. Is that the reason you get more uh, gigs or more shows? She said that if I might crack one or two, but if I'm not playing, अगर इसके बाद मैं अच्छा play नहीं कर रही ना,
Nobody will repeat you.
nobody will call me again.
Exactly.
तो मेरी skill होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes.
But एक लड़का भी है वहाँ पे, एक लड़की भी है. How do you मतलब you would obviously get a first hand, right, as compared to the guys?
No, it's not necessary. It depends on the popularity also nowadays. Guys are more popular than girls. You know what? How much guys get paid in the industry and how much we girls get? A good DJ,
Guy DJ,
good guy DJ, get paid around lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakhs
per gig.
per gig. And it's very difficult for a girl to reach even 1-2 lakh in the industry. Like DJs like Paroma, Rink, who have been in the industry from a very long time, they are charging that much, 2 lakhs, like 2.5 lakh, 1 lakh. And So it's not that, and it's very easy for a male DJ to reach that, like that slab.
क्योंकि वो मेहनत ज़्यादा करते हैं शायद.
Oh please, I think
I'm
it's
just
not that.
defending the.
No, it's not that कि हम लोग मेहनत नहीं करते हैं.
नहीं, it's not, I'm just trying to scratch you, to be honest.
नो नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. मेहनत सब लोग कर रहे हैं यार, सब अपने अपने कैपेबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग मेहनत कर रहे हैं. बट कुछ लोगों के लिए वो वर्कआउट हो रहा है, कुछ लोगों के लिए वो वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा है. लाइक अगर मुझे अभी कोई बोले कि मैं हर शो पे जाके वो रील्स बनाऊँ, वो सब करूँ, मैं नहीं कर सकती यार, मेरे में नहीं है उतना पेशेंस. आई वुड प्रेफर फोकसिंग ऑन माई स्किल्स एंड म्यूजिक मोर इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग दैट.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you has it been a cold show?
Lot of times
तो
I've
फिर क्या होता
performed when there are no people.
है? तुम प्ले करते रहते हो अपना.
Of course, I'm getting paid to do that. There are many times.
How do you actually look at कि यार मैं अब चेंज करूँ यार, ये लोग नहीं है, ये टेक्नो वाले नहीं है लोग. ऐसा
मतलब
हुआ है कभी? you're playing techno,
हाँ.
imagine you're playing techno and then you realize that people are not just going with my vibe.
No, it never happened with me. I'll tell you why. Because when I'm taking a techno gig, the crowd has to be techno only.
No, but yaar, there are certain times when people land up into the club because it's open and they do not know what sort of music would be there.
No, but फिर वो few
There would be less in
it's
number.
not like मेरे को जो जॉनर बजाने बोला है मैं वही बजाऊंगी.
Has it ever happened you are playing like the deepest techno music इस time पे और एक बंदे ने आके बोला भाई सिद्धू मूसेवाला या फिर करण औजला लगा ले?
हुआ है, दिल्ली में ही हुआ है.
तो तुमने क्या कहा? तुमने प्ले किया?
नहीं, मैंने बस स्माइल देके बोला ओके. I'm very patient on the console. I just smile and I'm like, ठीक है, I'll play. But I don't play. It's my wish. I don't want to play. But I don't want to fight over there. And I
नहीं,
want
इस पे
to
फाइट
say,
की क्या बात है? किसी की विश तुमने खराब कर दी
yeah,
यार.
but I give looks and they just go away.
यार, you missed the best music of the world यार.
You
To-
cannot play Sidhu Moosewala when you're performing on techno like stage.
Why?
No, you cannot.
Respect to Sidhu Moosewala, bro.
Yes, respect to him. I like
I hate techno.
I'm a follower.
I hate techno.
I don't hate any music. All the music is
I don't feel like techno is a music.
That's your perception.
I'm not trying to fight in this, but I'm just telling you that as a music, I understand music. ठीक है? Why I understand music, I don't know, but I understand music, and for me, I feel like techno it's more like it's not the real thing. It is
And
not.
you think Bollywood is real?
No, it's
What?
not.
What music is real then?
The real music is real.
What?
When I'm seeing an orchestra playing, when
Yeah.
I'm seeing people really literally playing the instruments. For
Live,
me,
you mean to
live,
say.
call it live or maybe recorded
Classical.
in a in a studio, not electronically produced, because I can clearly make it out whether this is, though you get the best version out of it, वो hollowness खत्म हो जाता है, तुम्हारा proper sync आ रहा है, सब तुम उसको आगे पीछे भी कर सकते हो, सब कर सकते हो. We have softwares like that, but have you heard a choir? कभी एक choir सुना हो तो
Yes.
तुम उसके साथ बह जाते हो यार.
Definitely, live is live. You can, there's no comparison, but it doesn't mean that you can say that this is not music and that is music. Both are music.
ठीक है, there might be people might not like my statement saying techno is not a music. Techno is it's something a genre you created, which is some random sounds which create some different frequencies within you or change. But I never thought I'll gather that
ये
courage to
please
speak.
Please काट देना.
I never thought I'll gather
मैं
this.
हंस रही हूँ, please काट देना.
I never thought.
ये ना मेरी जॉब छुड़वाएगा. मेरे को इंडस्ट्री से निकलवाएगा.
Can I keep my statement, Sira? We'll keep our silence, ठीक है?
Yeah, I'll give that blank look.
हाँ, just give a blank look. ठीक है. We'll use that. Apart from DJing, what do you do, Kuchi?
I have my own company called Connecting Arts. We do artist management. We program few clubs, and I do tours also, and sell artists. Graphic
What do you mean by
design.
sell artist?
International artist. We sell. We program. Programming means giving artists to some other venue, selling.
Okay.
Yeah. I do content creation also. I do travel blogging also sometimes.
What is out of all these, what do you enjoy? ये तुम्हें लगता है this is something I relate to?
I love music. I love performing on stage. That's my high.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't even drink or do anything, but I just love performing. Like I get high when I perform. It's like a meditation for me.
You're a spiritual person.
Yes, I meditate a lot every day.
Um,
So music is a meditation. Like
Music
it's a
itself is
medicine for me.
it's a meditation.
Yeah.
I believe there are a lot of people out there who just sit, listen to some good music,
Yeah.
and it just clears a lot of things in you.
Yes.
I wish अगर म्यूजिक ही नहीं होता इस दुनिया में, तानसेन ही नहीं होते, तो क्या
Yes.
होता?
Definitely.
अच्छा, tell me something. What do you feel of Ananya Pandey?
Actually, I don't follow Bollywood, Nikhil.
तुम मुंबई रहते हो यार?
Yes, but I don't follow in like actors and actresses. I don't even watch Hindi movies.
What do you watch?
I watch series. Good
अब
series.
कौन सी सीरीज चल रही है अभी?
Right now, I'm watching how this one, The Summer I Look Pretty.
Is it a
I was
Korean
very
series?
romantic. No, very romantic, and you know.
Are you a romantic person?
I am. I'm a very hopeless romantic.
Wh-
I
wh-
believe in love a lot,
Has there
like
been
mad
any?
love.
Is this your first love that you're getting married to?
No.
Have you been in love before?
Yes, once
But you dumped or you dumped him?
I dumped,
Why?
cheated on me.
ठीक है, but why did you dump him then?
Excuse me? He cheated on me. For me, loyalty is everything. You cheat on me, tada bye bye.
What do you mean by cheating, yaar?
Caught him with another girl.
I mean, he can be just like going
No,
around.
not. So going around is cheating.
Going around inside, like just like chill. मतलब,
That's
is it
not
like
chill.
is it like having sex with another person, or is it like
Even if you're talking to another person in a romantic way, is cheating. Even if you're flirting, is cheating.
I'm a married guy. I tried flirting with you.
Healthy flirting is different, and you're not flirting with me at all. I didn't get that vibe. I get that vibe like that. My instincts are very strong.
ठीक है,
You didn't flirt with me.
ठीक है. जय माता दी. मैं तुम्हें बहन बना लेता हूँ. Now I get the reason why people make her sister.
Oh my god. जगत बहन बन चुकी हूँ मैं. I have a lot of brothers. I don't have a real brother, but I have a lot of brothers. I tie Rakhi to many people, like many of guys, and I send Rakhi to a lot of guys.
No, we can be like just brother sister,
Yeah.
brother sister kind of thing.
My
yeah.
God, I made a brother in Delhi also.
On a live podcast. You.
My fiance will laugh on this. Trust me.
Acha, tell me, if you need to compare Delhi and Mumbai, how would you do it?
There's no comparison. I love Bombay.
But मैंने ना बहुत सारी reels देखी हैं जहाँ पे there have been people going around across the streets and asking questions कि यार what do you think of Delhi boys? तो सारी
Delhi
लड़कियाँ ना
boys.
क्या गंदा क्या दिल्ली के लड़कों में ऐसा? I'm setting a live
जब
example.
तक
It's been like almost all my life, 35 years. I've lived in Delhi.
जब तक मुंह नहीं खोलते तब तक ठीक है. जैसे
मैं
मुंह
तुमसे एक
खोलते
घंटे
हैं.
से बात कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं, I'm not talking about everyone.
I'm representing Delhi right now.
That's a different, like, exceptions are there, but I think a lot of people don't know how to talk. Like the tone, their language is like very different. It's like गाली दे के बात
मैं सही कहा था ना,
करना.
बहनचोद तो ये बातें करोगे ना, ये खराब होता है.
See, you just proved it. बॉम्बे में कोई ऐसे बात नहीं
कोई
करता. आप
बहनचोद
उससे
नहीं बोलता बॉम्बे के अंदर.
दिल्ली वाले ही बोलते हैं जो दिल्ली से आए हो के वहां सेटल हुए होते हैं.
भाई
तो मराठी में
एक मिनट, दिल्ली में has ever anyone asked you कि भाई तू इस भाषा में क्यों बात कर रहा है? Whatever language you speak, तमिल, दिल से अरे क्या बात हो गई भाई, क्या बात हो गई?
पर बॉम्बे में मेरे से किसी ने आज तक नहीं बोला कि मराठी में बात करो.
Exception is there.
नहीं, बट मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं. वी आर लाइक
No, I'll tell you the reality it is. This is pure political gimmick जो अभी चल रहा है इंटरनेट में.
Exactly,
This is purely political.
exactly.
तुम्हारा कोई भी दोस्त होगा ना, वो तुम्हें कभी भी नहीं चाहेगा कि तुम भाई
I
कुछ भी
have
फोर्स
so
करे
many
यार.
Marathi friends. I have like nobody have asked me कि मराठी में बात करो या like I have been to so many places where the culture is Maharashtrian and I am talking only in Hindi and nobody has told me कि भाई तुम्हें मराठी में बात करनी. Even पुलिस स्टेशन में भी लोग आपको नहीं बोलते हैं कि भाई मराठी में, या पुलिस आपको गाड़ी पे रोक भी लेती है तो भी मैं तो हिंदी में ही बात करती हूँ. पूछते कहाँ से हो तो मैं बोल देती हूँ नॉर्थ से. And nobody have ever said कि क्या है ये, क्यों है ये. No, it's all myth. Bombay, I love Bombay, and Bombay is the safest city in the entire India right now. Yes.
Do you feel safe in Delhi?
Very, no, not at all. I have to like put my location on. I have to send that location to 4 5 people whenever I'm traveling at night, because whenever I'm coming here, I'm only coming here for shows, and I'm traveling at
You have friends here in Delhi?
Yes, a lot.
How many friends?
More than 10 15 friends.
नहीं, friends का मतलब होता है कि यार मैं उसको अभी फोन करूंगी ना,
हाँ,
तो वो अभी आ जाएगा
है
help
10
करने.
15 है.
Genuine friends.
Genuine friends.
भाई है तुम्हारा कोई?
दिल्ली में?
हाँ.
हाँ.
कैसा है मुंबई? Is it like tough to stay in Mumbai? पैसे wise.
Cost of living is higher than
You
others.
get a like in a 2 BH apartment in a
Okay,
decent
so I have a
locality.
3 BHK apartment.
तुम अकेले रहते हो यार. तुम
Yeah,
3
but I,
BH
no, but I share, no? I
अच्छा.
have flatmates.
लड़कियां हैं?
Yes. So
क्या नाम है उनके?
Bhavya and Sanya.
दोनों क्या करती हैं भाभ्या साने?
One is graphic designer, one is MC.
MC like Mike.
Yes.
Who is MC?
Bhavya.
Bhavya. Hi Bhavya. What the? पता नहीं भव्या को देख के क्या हो गया मुझे.
Now I understand.
मुझे
फ्लर्ट करना आता है. मेरे से नहीं भाई, मैंने एक और भाई बना लिया है.
अरे she started she said तेरे को she said that कि मैं ना I'm a universal sister. हाँ you can come बानी यार, तेरा घर है यार, कैमरे लगे हुए हैं, कोई फर्क पड़ता तो है नहीं.
थैंक यू भाभी.
राखी आ रही है तो देख लो.
यार ये तो तेरी है. नहीं
तो बहुत गर्म है.
तू बैठ रही है अब?
थोड़ी गर्म है.
हाँ.
हाँ ठीक है. अच्छा भव्या और
सान्या.
सान्या. सुंदर कौन है दोनों में से?
दोनों सुंदर हैं. I cannot discriminate.
खत्म.
No, I
बिल्कुल
cannot do
बेकार.
that.
तुमने
I am a
literally
diplomatic person.
तुमने लिटरली बेकार कर दिया. मतलब तुम सच बोलते ना जेन्युइनली.
पर वो दोनों बुरा मान जाएंगी, मेरे घर में
नहीं.
रहती हैं.
इट इज नॉट अबाउट दैट, इट्स अबाउट रियलिटी. जैसे अभी हमारे रूम में इधर मयंक बैठा है, बानी बैठी है. पूछो कौन सुंदर है?
You will definitely say बानी, right?
नहीं, मैं अपने आप को बोलता.
तो पर आपने
जब
तो
तक
अपने
मेरे
बारे.
मन में सुंदरता नहीं है, बाहर कैसे देख
अच्छा,
सकता
like
हूँ?
that you want me to answer like that?
नहीं, अब बेकार कर दिया तुमने. अच्छा, जस्ट कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन. मैं सब
हाँ.
बेकार बातें कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
कमिंग टू द
कॉफी
क्वेश्चन.
पी लो थोड़ी सी.
कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, हाउ डू यू फील कि यार ये हंसी जा रही है यार. नहीं भाई, तुम कर क्या रहे हो यार? मेरे पॉडकास्ट खराब कर रहे हो तुम.
मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा. मैं शांत बैठा हूं, मैं क्वेश्चन ढूंढ रहा हूं यार.
निखिल फंस गए. आज लगे उसको बोल रहे हैं यार मैं लोगों की पॉडकास्ट हो जाता, आज मेरी बच रही है उल्टा. मैं ही चुप हो जा रहा हूँ. भाई है टाइम, डोंट वरी.
अच्छा, on a serious note, अच्छा you don't stay alone. I thought you stay alone. How is it? मेरा question होना था how is it to stay alone in a city like Mumbai?
No, but I stay alone. It's kind of living alone because I manage my entire house. I pay all my bills. जो मैंने कभी किया नहीं था वो which I am doing, like grocery shopping से लेके electricity bill भरना, maids को manage करना, पूरे मतलब cook को manage करना. Then I have a pet also at home and मतलब everything managing on my own. Then अपना काम भी देखना, कंपनी भी देखना, बहुत चीज़ें हैं यार. So it's not that easy. मैं अपने घर पे रहती थी थोड़ी ना, मुझे पता भी नहीं होता था बिजली का बिल कब आ रहा है या ग्रोसरी कब आ रही है. कभी किया ही नहीं था वो सब. Which I started doing mobility.
Has it been like, what is the lowest point of your life?
Recently when I have gone through cancer, like when I was fighting cancer.
Do you want to talk about that?
I don't mind. I've never spoken about it, but okay, it's okay. We can talk about it.
मतलब how did it come up? कैसे हुआ? I just want to know.
I got to know last year. I
अच्छा,
had
it's very recent.
Yes, I had a fibroid, and when I got it like out of my body, it was cancerous.
Okay.
Yes. Then
And
I got to know that the tumor is in my uterus, and I was fighting it for a year almost because I didn't want it to take out my uterus out. And I got to know in a very initial stage, but when it was too much, I got it out. I got it out in April, and yeah.
Was it scary?
Yeah, I had like 7 hours of surgery, and it was not. See, I'm not scared of anything.
यार this is
No, no, no. I'm
are you scared of
seriously
death? तुम्हें मरने से तो डर
not.
लगता है ना यार.
No, I'm actually not scared of anything.
अच्छा, what was the thing that went through when you were like actually on this कि अब क्या होगा जिंदगी में? Was there a flip थोड़ा सा?
No, not at all. I don't know why, but I have a lot of strength in me. Matlab, when I got out of the operation theater, my doctor saw me and he only asked me one question: how were you carrying this 600 gram of tumor for a year? That tumor was 600 gram and I was carrying it for a year. And I was working, I was traveling.
You were not aware of it?
I was aware. I
But
was
you were
not
just
ready to take out the uterus because it was like giving away the option of having a birth from your own body. So it took a lot of time for me to take that decision. And I got it in a very, I got to understand in a very initial, like I got to know in a very initial stage. तो उस वजह से I had a lot of time to think about it कि मुझे यूट्रस निकालना है, मुझे यूट्रस नहीं निकालना है. But there was only one option: either I get married or have a kid, but then I have to put danger to his life also, and or I can take out the uterus completely. So we took a decision, and I took out the uterus.
When you
because
say we, who are we here?
my family, I had
Okay.
to, like, they wanted me to take out the uterus long back. I was the one who was adamant कि I don't want. Like I was,
नहीं मुझे
I
वो
was
तुम्हें लगा वो
actually,
भोपाल का मध्य प्रदेश का आ गया ना कि हम
अच्छा
हम डिसाइड किया लेकिन तुम नहीं है. तो
Yeah.
मुझे वो थोड़ा वैसे लगा.
नहीं, वो हिंदी में हम निकलता है वी, मतलब like it's my family. Because they, मतलब वो लोग चाहते थे कि बहुत पहले ही निकाल दूं, but मैंने, I took my time.
And how's life after that?
I'm still healing. I'm still recovering. My body is still getting back in that shape. Lost a lot of blood, so strength thoda weak. Like I have weakness, thoda ho jata hai. The rest everything is good.
You want to cry? You can cry.
No, I don't want to cry.
अरे मेरा TRP बढ़ेगा यार.
Shit. He's thinking about his TRP. Wow.
यार
No,
I
no.
couldn't stand up and give you a tissue. I thought I'll bring a smile
No,
on your
I'm
face.
not crying.
It's
I've
not-
never spoken about it.
No, it's a very like it's a serious thing to talk
Yeah,
about.
I've never even spoken openly with my family till
But
now.
you know the best part of it, when you talk about this with a smile on your face, na, that shows the real strength, and you're doing that.
Yeah.
How's your
Strength-
mom?
She's good.
How's your mom relationship? आपका mother
Very good. She's my best friend. I share everything with her. Everything.
And you have a sister as well.
Yes, she's also my best friend. I share everything with her also. I have a very good relation with my mother and my sister. We are like very, very thick.
What about your father?
I don't have dad. I lost my dad when I was 17.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you could change anything in Mumbai, what would you change?
Infrastructure. बहुत बेकार है यार. सीवेज सिस्टम ही नहीं है. पानी भर जाता है रोड पे, हर जगह गड्ढे खुद रहे हैं. मतलब अभी मुझे जाके अगर गड्ढा खोदना है तो मैं भी खोद के बैठ सकती हूँ. इतना लाइक
But
ओपन.
development हो रही है इसका मतलब वहाँ पे.
क्या डेवलपमेंट हो रही है? जब 14 साल से मैं डेवलपमेंट ही देख रही हूँ, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है ना. रोड सही से बन रहा है. एक मेट्रो, जब से मैं अपने घर में शिफ्ट हुई हूँ 9 साल हो गए हैं, वो मेट्रो बन रही है घर के सामने, वो अभी तक बन ही रही है 9 साल से.
यार हमारे यहाँ तो मेट्रो बहुत जल्दी बनती है दिल्ली में.
9 साल से आई एम सीइंग मेट्रो बन रही है. और हर जगह गड्ढे खुदे हुए हैं, हर जगह. देयर इज नो नॉर्मल रोड इन बॉम्बे. यू गो एनीवेयर, you will find some or the other construction going on. I'm really fed up. I don't even take out the car. I don't even step out.
Why do they say Mumbai is a place for opportunities?
Because career, it's a capital. It's a commercial capital. So there are more opportunities. There are exposure ज़्यादा है other cities के comparison.
Okay.
Yeah. Like what I'm doing right now in Bombay, if I'll do it in Bhopal, it's not gonna happen for me.
Delhi is like little slower as compared.
Delhi also, but the kind of exposure you have in Bombay, you don't get it in Delhi. Like you see Bombay DJs coming and performing everywhere, but I don't see Delhi DJs coming and performing in Bombay.
No, because we got a lot of money to hire DJs and we don't
Oh.
want to waste time on that. I'm just saving Delhi guys, really sorry. मैं दिल्ली को कितना
Or
बचाऊंगा
you're
भाई,
not
इतने
that
बेकार है ना
skilled, or
दिल्ली
you're not
यार.
that, or you're
मैं
not that
थक गया.
skilled.
मैं
You're
I,
not, you're not skilled that
Hmm.
enough to have that kind of
it's
exposure
just
which
about
you
money
get.
यार, it's just about money.
Yeah, we don't have money to pay to people who are not skilled.
यार चलो यार, I'll but this is a very very genuine point you brought
Yeah,
कि और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुंबई में एक्सेस ज्यादा है फॉर चीजें.
that's what I'm saying. ना exposure ज़्यादा है.
You can say that.
Yes. Like if you want to become an actor or become a model, you have more production houses over there
Right.
instead of Delhi. More casting
Couches.
casting directors and like more.
Have you heard of any casting couch? कुछ ऐसा सुना है आपने?
I've-
You have been
Yes,
closing.
I have heard, but I've like not any of my close people have experienced.
Does it happen in the DJ industry?
मेरे साथ तो नहीं हुआ.
Are you aware of any of the thing that anything like that happened?
अभी recently कुछ उड़ीसा में हुआ था.
Odisha में?
Yeah, some girl was performing in the club and they invited her at after party, and she filed a complaint that she got exploited or something like that. I also read it somewhere.
I saw a reel on internet where a
Yes.
girl came up कि मेरा heel टूट गया था, and I think she said that कि I think it might be the policy. I started dancing bare feet and someone came up to me said, what is your size, we'll give you a heel. And I said UK something whatever the size was, and they gave a random pair of shoes or heel whatever. And then the owner of the club called her कि आप please मुझसे बाद में अकेले आके मिलिए, we'll give you special services.
Where you saw
No,
that?
this is on Instagram. There was some confession thing going on, and this is not like written confession. The girl was
Okay.
speaking about it, so that's why I asked it. I mean, I just
होता होगा. मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ. मैंने बोला ना मेरा ऑरा इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग.
brotherly.
डर जाते हैं लोग मोस्टली. मुझे तो आते हैं ये कमेंट्स कि वी आर स्कैर्ड ऑफ यू टू इवन टॉक टू यू.
Has no one like even approached you?
Via, not directly. No one have ever.
How did your fiance asked you out?
He was my best friend. I asked him out. We were like best friends. We said we decided, okay, let's get married because we love each other anyways. So why to get married to different people?
No, you're contradicting your statement कि best friend ना वो नहीं हो सकते.
But we were best friends and we used to love like best friends.
Then it turned into love.
Yeah, I decided, okay, let's get married because I want to get married. I don't want to date or anything.
ठीक है यार. And you gonna get married where? Bhopal or Delhi, Mumbai?
I want to get married in Trigunarayan Mandir,
I'm sorry.
where Shiv Parvati got married.
This is in South, right?
No, it's in Uttarakhand, near Kedarnath.
Are you aware of it? मेरे को पहली बार ऐसा कि मैं टेंपल के बारे में नहीं जानता हूँ यार.
दिखाया था वही है क्या?
No, no.
तो कैसे, मतलब कौन कौन होगा आपकी शादी में?
50 people I can invite over there. So
Hmm.
I'll invite close friends. I'll invite you, Nikhil. Don't worry, you've become my brother. You were looking at me like मुझे नहीं बुलाओगी. इससे पहले
See,
मैंने बोल दिया.
Thank you so much यार. भावना और सपना right?
क्या?
Your roommates.
भव्या and Sania.
भव्य and सान्या.
हाँ.
तुम्हारे इतने साल रहने का फायदा क्या हुआ जब की शादी में मैं जा रहा हूँ?
But I never said I'll not invite them.
नहीं, वो नहीं आएंगे. 50 बंदे पूरे हो जाएंगे उससे पहले
नहीं
बता
नहीं
रहा हूँ.
होंगे, मुझे पता है ना.
तो लड़के की तरफ से
I'll
लोग नहीं
select
होंगे.
my people ना.
50 लोग टोटल है. 25 है तुम्हारी तरफ से,
हाँ.
25 उस तरफ से हैं.
हो
2
जाएंगे.
तुम हट गए, बचे 23.
हो जाएंगे.
ठीक है.
नहीं
मैं,
नहीं,
मेरा
50
बच्चा और मेरी
apart
बीवी,
from-
20 रह गए.
50 apart from family.
मयंक भी हो गया, 19 रह गए. I'm just kidding यार. I'm just trying to calm you down because तुम ना बहुत गुस्से में आ गए थे यार.
मैं गुस्से में आ रही थी.
हाँ, जो मैं बहुत ज्यादा गुस्से में आ गए थे आप.
रियली ऐसा लग रहा है क्या?
अरे मजाक कर रहा
मुझे
हूँ यार.
पता है.
हम्म.
अब मेरे को लग रहा था फिर से ट्रैप करने वाला है. समझ गई शक्ल देख के. इस बार नहीं फंसूंगी.
I want you to genuinely like not कि मैं तुम्हारे सामने बैठा हूँ, as a part of improvement to me कि निखिल, this is the area you could work for the podcast as you have been seeing बड़े बड़े podcasters. Give me a feedback
But Nikhil, on a very serious note, you're really good.
as a human.
No, I'm talking about as a podcaster also.
Hmm.
Because I really watch a lot of videos. You're really good. It's just that you you get off track a little bit in between. Like
Okay.
you're talking at some topic and suddenly you start another topic.
Hmm.
So that's the only thing you have to work on. Otherwise, everything is good. Like the way you're talking, and the thing is, you're making other person comfortable. Or itna spontaneously like nikalna is very difficult, especially people like me who are introvert. Like I'm an introvert person in general, but I feel so comfortable. I'm talking like itna openly.
यार I'll take that feedback क्योंकि मेरे साथ ये बहुत बड़ा केस है. मैं ना जैसे अभी तुमसे बात कर रहा हूँ ना, मेरा मन करेगा मैं तुमसे पूछूं, एकदम एक दिन ही पूछूं, कल रात को क्या खाया था तुमने?
Exactly.
ये मेरे
Like
में this
distraction.
is not distraction, ये मेरे में चुल है कि मैं 2-3 थ्रेड लेके चलता हूँ. When you 2-3 थ्रेड means I wanna throw like 5-6 threads at you और उसके ना यूं करता रहूंगा मैं. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये.
Okay.
And this is my nature. I'm sorry I'm saying this on camera,
Yeah.
but my wife knows it. She said you're so fucking random. हम my wife ride and I ride. आज सुबह हम
हाँ.
राइड पे हम कनेक्टेड थे.
Okay.
तो हम चल रहे हैं. मैंने कहा यार शाम को हम मूवी देखने चले, करी पॉडकास्ट है. मैंने कहा अरे ऐसी बात कर रहा था मैं. तो this ये कोई बात करने की तुक नहीं है.
You know why I'm able to catch that thing?
Because you're like that.
No, my fiance is exactly like that. And I have a major problem. We mostly fight on these kind of things, that I'm talking something else and he randomly brings some other topic when I'm not even finished. And we literally have a major fight over this topic. कि भाई जब मैं तेरे से एक चीज पे बात कर रही हूँ, पहले वो चीज तो खत्म कर ले, दूसरे टॉपिक पे पहुंच गया, तो तीसरे टॉपिक पे पहुंच गया. मतलब वो चीज को आंसर ही नहीं दे रहा है तो दूसरा टॉपिक घुमा रहा है.
यार you need to give him
And
space यार थोड़ा.
this is called distraction.
But you need to give him little
This
space.
is called lack of focus in life. You should meditate more. How much do you meditate, right? You follow Sadhguru, of course you meditate.
मेरी जिंदगी बीत गई यार meditate. You're asking me to. I
You
think
know,
I'm more focused.
How much you meditate?
It's not about the time. It's about how intense you are.
No, but how? Like I'm asking, like generally, how you meditate every day?
कोशिश करता हूँ. I don't talk my sadhana on camera or anywhere. But we
हाँ.
can sit after that. I'll definitely tell you.
हाँ.
Hmm.
Because focus बढ़ता है उससे. I tell my fiance, please meditate. You need to meditate a lot. You get distract यार. मतलब it's very easy to get distract. Like एक टॉपिक पे बात करते करते सडनली दूसरा टॉपिक आ गया है.
But
मैं
this is
वो
fun
एक
ना?
अरे बट मैं एक टॉपिक पे बात कर रही हूँ, मैं सोच रही
Then
हूँ.
you need to catch up यार.
I cannot catch up on 10 topics together. I have to finish one thing. I'm a very this kind of
You're a
person.
single thread
नहीं
processor.
मैं चार
And the
काम एक
guy the guy you're dating is a multi-core processor.
वो भी यही बोलता है, पर मैं उससे ज्यादा काम कर लेती हूँ.
It's not about work. It's about how do you manage.
अरे but
He's
बात
managing
करना
you.
is not working. Like this is
He's managing you यार.
like yeah.
You
Good
need to-
point.
you
He's
need to
managing me definitely. हाँ, मुझे झेल रहा है, बहुत बड़ी बात है.
How are your relations? How's your relationship with him? More like
We are best friends. He's my person. I can talk any rubbish, like any. I can behave as stupid as dumb as I can with him. He'll not judge. He'll not even try to teach me. क्योंकि वो सिखाएगा तो मैं उसको डबल सिखा देती हूँ. We are like Tom and Jerry. We fight. We fight. We make up. We love. We talk nonsense. When he was my best friend, we used to talk for 5 hours over the phone. 5 hours you're talking to your
यार
best
तुम्हारा
friend.
ना बुरा मत
And not
मानना.
like romantically.
Please,
Random shit
खुशी,
about random
खुशी,
people. We gossip.
खुशी,
हाँ.
please बुरा मत मानना. Either he was trying on you or you were. मेरी अगर कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, मैं 5 घंटे
He
बात
is my soulmate.
मैं ना चप्पल मारूं उसे
He's my
कि भाई
soulmate.
यार then you guys were dating from.
No, we were not dating.
भाई you guys were
Achha,
confused.
what is dating?
Dating is being in a relationship.
But we were not in relationship.
Okay, dating is like before in the relationship part कि तुम you were in.
But we were flirting with other people. So
वो तुम ओपन थे थोड़ा उस चीज को लेके.
no.
मेरी बात सुनो. अब मेरी बात सुनो, ठीक है. मुझे आज का सीन के ऊपर हम बात कर सकते हैं कि आज का डेटिंग का सीन क्या चल रहा है, जो बहुत वाहियात चल रहा है, ठीक है. बट द थिंग इज यू गाइस वर डेटिंग
But
or
we were
maybe
not
you were
having...
in a relationship.
No, but we never had any...
You didn't communicate, but you were there.
How are you calling it when like
हिज नेम इज रचित, राइट?
yeah.
रचित, तेरे को पता मैं क्या बात कर रहा हूँ?
No,
मैं, ठीक है?
उसको भी नहीं पता है, वो भी यही बोलेगा.
भाई समझ गया ना तू?
No,
दिख रहा है
but he's my gossip partner. We gossip.
यार दैट इज, छोड़ो, मुझे नहीं जानना
मैं
तुम्हारी.
लड़की से उतनी
मैंने गलती
मैं
हो गई,
लड़की-
मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया यार तुमसे. मुझसे बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई यार आज.
He's my soulmate basically.
मान लिया.
But बाद में पता चला मुझे. You know, apart from that, like, you know,
मुझे नहीं
like,
जानना भाई.
see, I
खुशी, मुझे
understood.
नहीं जानना तेरे रिलेशनशिप के बारे में यार.
You're not agreeing, that's why I'm arguing. You have to agree with me. Once you agree with me, I'll be okay.
भावना,
Bhavya.
भव्या और मैं, I'm not good with names यार. अच्छा, how is the relationship scene, मतलब dating scene मुंबई में कैसा है?
Pathetic. People don't want to get married.
वो तो अलग चीज है, बट उससे पहले तुम एक दूसरे को देखो, जानो, एक साथ समय
हाँ,
बिताओ.
but वो 2 साल समय बिताने के बाद भी लोगों को शादी नहीं करनी होती. शादी
2 साल बाद उनको
people are
रियलाइज हुआ.
commitment phobic nowadays. They have a very big
I don't call it commitment phobic, it is responsibility phobic. Or maybe they feel
So
like suffocated
responsibility-
with one person.
responsibility come with commitment, no?
हाँ,
So it's the same thing.
हाँ.
They don't want to be accountable for anything. They want to live their life on their own convenience, and
But that's how animals live.
so we humans are becoming animal, can't you see? We are turning into animals. Animals are turning like animals have more humanity,
Hmm.
and humans have more. Sorry, ये बहुत controversial होने वाला है.
नहीं, there's nothing controversial. This is the truth.
Because I'm good with animals. I'm not good with humans. I don't like to chill with humans.
I'm also good with animals.
Yeah, I like being around animals.
I like eating them.
I'm a pure vegetarian, and I'm an animal activist also.
I had a podcast with a vegan.
Huh?
Hmm.
I'm trying to be vegan.
They have different, but you're a Jaini, yaar.
Yeah,
So if you follow Jainism, it is better than veganism.
but I don't
Jainism,
follow Jainism.
I read about Jainism.
But I don't follow Jainism.
I'm just telling you. I read about Jainism, how the structure of life is, what you have to eat, what you do not have to eat, at what time you have to eat. And you look at veganism. Veganism is a faded part of Jainism, but it is coming from West, so there are a lot of good-looking people talking about being vegan.
Yeah.
It's better be Jain. Trust me, because तुम्हें veganism के साथ, being vegan के साथ, तुम्हें meditation नहीं मिलेगा, Jainism में मिल जाएगा.
I'm really trying. Lactose intolerance है मुझे. So I try not to have milk products. But then I'm very fond of cheese and ghee. वो मैं छोड़ नहीं पा रही हूँ. So this is the reason I'm not able to turn vegan. Otherwise I would have turned vegan long back.
मैं समझ गया, लेकिन मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा इस पे रिएक्ट कैसे करूँ.
Yeah.
बट ठीक है. Is there anything you wanna? I think we can come to decline part of the
Yeah.
podcast where we trim down. And is there anything you wanna say to the people कि यार कुछ anything कि it's like you're talking to the world right now. Imagine you're talking to the world right now.
निखिल ये तो टफ काम क्यों करवा रहे हो?
मुझसे बोलो, मैं तो पता नहीं मैं आधा घंटा बकवास करता
हाँ,
रहूँगा
but
यार.
that's why you're a podcaster, no? And I'm not.
But genuinely, I mean, if you get a chance, imagine, just close your eyes once. ठीक है? Imagine you, तुम अब बहुत बड़े कॉन्सर्ट चल रहा है, जो लाइक कोल्ड प्ले लेवल का कॉन्सर्ट चल रहा है, और 10-20 हज़ार 30 हज़ार 40 हज़ार जनता खड़ी है. You get the mic, you're getting this opportunity. What would you say to the people? They are actually listening to you.
You're really talking serious right now. You're looking very serious.
No, I'm actually.
I was about to crack a joke.
You can.
Because
I mean,
you
if it's
said-
really worth it.
Because you said
If it's really
Coldplay,
worth-
so I like whoever has cheating on his wife and came to a concert, please don't come in front of the camera.
Fuck, that was good, yaar.
You're talking so serious, and when you just said Coldplay, it really came in my mind.
यार मेरे को बहुत बुरा
Nikhil,
लगा.
problem पता है क्या है?
बहुत बुरा लगा मुझे उन दोनों के लिए.
From the
मुझे उन
start,
दोनों के लिए बहुत बुरा लगा यार. वो बेचारे.
why he was cheating? It was karma.
There is nothing called karma
Oh,
यार.
please, it is
वो
karma.
हरामी साला कैमरामैन को दिखा दिया.
What?
Fuck यार, बेचारा अच्छा खासी जिंदगी चल रही थी उनकी.
Bani?
No, I can speak. I be very
Yes.
genuine, yaar.
No, but come on, you're cheating on your wife
भाई, it's better to leave your partner अगर तुम्हारा ध्यान कहीं और लग गया
instead
तो.
of cheating, right?
हाँ.
So I believe in that.
भाई क्या पता, तुम्हें बैक स्टोरी ना पता हो. दे माइट बी इन एन ओपन मैरिज, दे माइट बी समथिंग. हम तो अपनी जजमेंट्स बना के बैठ गए. तुम्हें भी बोला मैं जजमेंटल नहीं हूँ.
But मैंने
I'm
नहीं, मैंने ये जजमेंट नहीं बनाया.
तूने बोला he was
But
cheating
हाँ, but I don't feel bad for him.
or for her.
हाँ, because it was their decision.
Exactly.
Come on, you are standing in a concert.
लोगों ने
like,
उनकी पर्सनल
but
लिंक्डइन
I
या फिर वहीं से फोटोग्राफ लगा के उनके बच्चों को ब्लर करके दिखा दिया.
tell me
But
one
tell me
thing.
one thing,
Once-
अगर उसकी वाइफ कहे बेटा I am also having a relationship, you also have, just for the sake
Arey
of
Baba,
kids we are
but
together.
I'll tell you what. I also go to concerts. I
Hmm.
also know there is a camera. Everybody knows. Come on.
यार but everybody
It might
doesn't
be a
know ना कि
PR
तुम्हें घुमा
No,
कर.
it might be a PR stunt also. You are going in a concert, you are in the eye of people. You're in the eye of. There are 10,000 cameras in the concert. Everywhere there are cameras.
कॉन्सर्ट में कैमरास
Of
होते हैं क्या?
course. How they are covering the entire concert then?
पता नहीं यार.
So you should be aware that if you're holding someone on top of, like you're not even in the crowd, you're on the table
वो
level.
तो
and-
VIP space में था.
Exactly. So when you're holding someone, you think, and the camera is fucking coming on you, you won't even like, come on, yaar. You know that क्या कैमरा वाला पहली बार लेके रोल कर रहा होगा, घूम ही रहा होगा ना
यार
इधर
उसकी
उधर.
तुमने देखा वो एकदम बैठ गया था उसके बाद. तुम्हें पता है उसने एक्चुअली क्या बोला? दीदी डर गई, दीदी डर गई.
Shit. Oh god, this was very fun. It was a fun podcast.
वो रो रहा है.
मेरा तो सीरियसनेस ही चली गई है, ऐसा लग रहा है. तब जब से आई वो हंसी रही हो बैठ के सिर्फ पॉडकास्ट में.
Can I start this like have a 1 hour therapy with me?
Yes, you can. Trust me. Trust me. Seriously. इतना मैं अपने थेरेपिस्ट के साथ भी नहीं हंसती
You have
यार.
a therapist?
Yes, yes. I
How
take
much do you
therapy.
pay for it?
5,000 per sir.
Fuck you.
Yes. I started taking therapies after my
Yeah, I got it.
yeah, because I was really like,
I can give you a book.
yeah.
I mean, if you read,
I read.
that will change your life.
Nowadays I read a lot. I read and I actually start reading on like online,
Acha,
like random things, not like very serious books, but random things, and watch podcast also nowadays. So I can read the book definitely.
who is the supreme you look at to?
Sadhguru.
No.
Like
Like not as a guru, but not as a human,
hmm,
or not a living guru even. As some
Shiva.
Shiva.
Definitely. I call him my father. When I lost my father, I made him my father. And he really, like, I feel that he's like, he take care of me. I believe in Mahakal. I go to Ujjain.
Oh.
I go to Ujjain every 2 months.
You have you attended that wala
Basma Aarti?
Basma Aarti?
Yes, many times.
Bhai, that is something.
Yeah, because I'm
crazy.
from there. Like my house is just 2
Hmm.
hours away. And
तुम तो फिर ओमकारेश्वर भी गए होगे.
I've done
कितने
6
ज्योतिर्लिंग किए?
Jyotirling.
अरे that is beautiful यार.
Yeah.
तूने महाराष्ट्र वाले भी कवर कर लिए
हाँ,
होंगे.
have to complete at least in 1 year I'll complete all. I have that like goal.
Good यार.
Hmm.
That is very
I'm
beautiful.
a Shiva Bhakt.
That is beautiful.
Yeah.
And I want you to एकदम randomly ना किसी दिन just asking you out as a favor कि अगर तुम्हें मेरे podcast से थोड़ा सा भी अच्छा लगा हो,
हाँ,
जहाँ पे टेक्नो बज रहा हो ना, जहाँ पे
हाँ।
सब कर रहे हो,
हाँ.
एकदम शिवा का गाना चला देना.
बजा चुकी हूँ,
बोले
कर चुकी हूँ. बहुत तंत्रा मंत्रा बजाया है मैंने.
बोले.
मैं तो बॉलीवुड में भी बजा चुकी हूँ.
अच्छा, कमिंग बैक,
Yeah.
तुमने मैंने एंड करना था पॉडकास्ट, तुमने घुमा दिया ना फिर. ठीक है. सीरियसली, नॉट द कॉन्सर्ट थिंग.
नहीं बोलना.
कुछ भी नहीं बात करनी.
नहीं, हो गया.
Alright guys, this is very abrupt ending. My name is Nikhil.
You can end.
Khushi.
You can say.
This is life, and
How was the podcast with me? I want a feedback now.
you matched the energy.
Oh.
There have been very not good times with
Hmm.
people where I try to be myself, but because of their aura
Hmm.
they create,
Hmm.
they don't let me be.
Okay.
Thank you for allowing me from what I am जो मैं हूँ आपने
And
मुझे
it was
अलाउ
my
किया.
first podcast, so I'm also like I'm thankful to
मेरे
you
को बहुत गंदा
that
जोक
you
आया
reached
था.
out and you like.
Can I crack a ganda joke?
Yeah.
She lost her virginity.
Shit.
इसको काट, इसको लिख.
7% भाई.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for this random conversation we just hosted on Pod with Nick. I had a DJ Khushi with me. She is literally a bliss person. बहुत अच्छा लगा. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी मजा आया ना तो what you gotta do is you gotta subscribe that, hit that like button और share कीजिए ताकि हम थोड़ा grow कर सकें and we get that number so that we can have more beautiful people on our podcast. See you in the next episode. My name is Nikhil signing off. Adios.